Have you ever wondered how some people manage to stay healthy for years, maintaining clear vision, a sharp mind, and normal blood pressure? Welcome to the world of health and wellness, where a balanced lifestyle and a nutritious diet play pivotal roles. Imagine the power of a recipe that not only boosts your overall health, but also improves your vision, enhances your cognitive function, and helps regulate your blood pressure. Intrigued? Today, we will share a recipe that may help you achieve this level of health and wellness. For this recipe, you need some simple yet powerful ingredients. We start with celery, a hydrating veggie packed with vitamins, then a pear brimming with fiber and antioxidants. Next, pumpkin seeds, a rich source of magnesium and healthy fats. Flax seeds follow, boasting omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. A squeeze of lemon, of course, for that vitamin C punch and detoxifying prowess. Lastly, natural honey, a sweet immune booster. Whenever possible, make sure these are fresh and organic. Now that you know what you need, let's move on to the preparation process. But before we do, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Before we jump into the recipe preparation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to keep creating awesome content. Let's dive in. Making this recipe is a breeze. Starting with the basics, pick up your celery and pear. Rinse them thoroughly under running water for a fresh and clean start. Next, we're going to chop them into chunks. Don't worry too much about the size, just make sure they can fit comfortably into your blender. Now for the lemon. Slice it in half and squeeze out all the juice you can. Remember, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, adding a citrusy punch to your smoothie. After prepping your primary ingredients, bring out the blender. Begin by placing your chopped celery and pear and the squeezed lemon juice. The next additions are flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. They may be small, but they are filled with beneficial fats and fiber that aid in maintaining a healthy body. Add a tablespoon of each into the blender. Last, but definitely not the least, we introduce natural honey. Pour in a spoonful to add a hint of sweetness, but feel free to tweak it as per your preference. Honey is not just a sweetener. It's packed with health benefits like antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Once everything is in, secure the blender lid and blend until your smoothie is smooth. And voila! You've made a straightforward yet powerful health-promoting recipe right at home. Health is wealth, and investing in your health today can save you from many problems in the future. To recap, we've combined celery, pear, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, lemon, and natural honey to create a nutritious recipe. This blend is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can contribute to clear vision, stable blood pressure, and overall wellness. So, kickstart your journey to robust health by making this recipe a part of your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. Make this recipe a part of your routine and you may see the benefits in no time.